We always get asked the question, what's the lead time? How long does it take? And the logistics of running a small family-owned and operated sawmill with a very committed team poses its challenges, I'll say. We live in a world of instant gratification. Add to cart, you have it by the next day. That's not what we do. That's not who we are. We're not a big box store where we have it up on a rack. We are truly from barn to table. And not to sound corny by any stretch, but we truly take it down, we bring it back, and we do the whole process, literally from start to finish, including the installation to your home. Custom work, custom time frame. Do we have the material? Has it been processed? Has it been denailed? Has it been kiln dried? Let's say somebody comes in and they saw an inspiration photo, let's just say on Pinterest. No, we're not sponsored by them. And they want a super modern looking white oak table, for example. And we're starting with 200 plus year old barn beams that were hand hewn. They have freaking mortise holes. They have insect tracks. They got all of this flavor that we love. So we have to find and select the proper beams in our inventory, then start the process from scratch for that specific table. It'll come in from our overhangs, it'll come into the shop and get denailed, and then it'll get to the resaw and we'll cut it to a rough thickness. Then it'll go into the kiln, again, for at least 2 weeks. It'll come out of the kiln, and then we start the actual milling process. That all takes time, and there's a tremendous amount of attention and detail that we pay to everybody's projects, and it's truly something that we really pride ourselves on, and I feel the finished product truly shows. And that's one of the biggest things that we like to do, is educate the people as to our process and what goes into it, so that they know that that piece that they're getting in their home has been loved literally from start to finish, and we hope that they enjoy it for another 50 plus, 100 plus years. Their great grandkids are fighting over it. That's what we hope for.